On the 23rd of November 2020, the Seng Khasi Kmie celebrated its 121st foundation anniversary with requisite stringent protocols and regulations being followed. Despite the lack of public attendees, the celebration was observed in a grand manner. On this day, apart from the significant ritual ceremony, the Seng Khasi Kmie presented accolades to two medical doctors, Dr. Werlok Kharshieng and Dr. Rangsan Singh. Thank you for their generous service towards the people in need of medical aid. The conferring ceremony took place at Limpung Madan Waking Jayao. A little known fact about Dr. Werlok Kharshieng is the founder and owner of various hospital establishments such as Woodland Hospital as well as health clinics. He also helped set up nursing training centers, while Dr. Thank you is the medical director of Supercare Hospital, Shillong. He is one of the most renowned doctors of the state of Meghalaya. The awards were given by Acting CM of Himamilium, Pak Aina Manik CM, who was invited as a guest of honor.
Bersenggali Dr. Kharshieng, ida ikong ikunjungi ikong Maghrib Walan.